What's up, you guys? I just said trying not to say in my videos. Oh. Alright. Hey, you guys. I am going to drive to a little sunset spot and test out my new camera and microphone. And I don't look that crazy, actually. The camera's pretty out of my face, so yeah. And I'm not gonna make that. Alright. Wish I can't look that high with the camera. Oh. Alright. No music. Walk away. Oh wow. Car sounds real nice. It's smoky out here. There's a fire nearby. Alright. Well, turn off the AC. I got back from Big Bear around an hour ago, an hour and a half ago, for a little day trip. I think I'm gonna post that video. What do I want to talk about? Oh, I want to talk about having life figured out while I'm on the way to the sunset. Yeah, I just felt like I wanted to record a video today because I haven't really had time. Been a little busy after I made that little channel update video, and I was thinking of what I should make, and then today I was like, okay, I was pretty tired, but now I'm going. I was like, oh, I should go and make a video. Why does it sound so good? Yeah, but I basically asked Google Gemini AI for an idea of what I should talk about, and that was one of the things. So I was gonna talk about figuring life out, and then when I get to the spot, oh, it's really smoky. This can't be good. But when I got to the spot, I was gonna talk about maybe what was that? Oh shit, there's a train. Can't stop. Oh, it's not down yet. Not down yet. Yeah, but oh yeah, it's over there. I don't know. Should I talk about that? I kind of just feel like getting my brain flowing for the video. I don't know what the video is gonna be about actually. I think I forget what the video I wanted to talk about when I get there was gonna be. Oh my gosh, it's so smoky. That's really bad. Yikes. You can smell it, dude. Ooh. Dang it. Yeah, it's been pretty hot lately. Anyways. Whew. Yeah, what was I gonna talk about? Get my ideas flowing. Yeah, I asked Gemini for some ideas. I noticed that ChatGPT is worse than Gemini at being creative. I used to use ChatGPT to kind of get my ideas flowing, but I've noticed that it just basically repeats what I'm saying back to it, and I'm asking can you give me some ideas with this, and it says, all right, yeah, here's the this, and it basically just says what I'm saying, but in a different way, which is still kind of brainstorming, and I guess it might be better because it's your own ideas. But Gemini, I like was asking it some questions yesterday and today, and it was like making things up, like it was developing its own ideas, which is really interesting, kind of scary if you think about it, but all right. You guys may recognize this drive, because this is the drive I took on the Vespa. Oh shoot, I think I got something in my eye. But sheesh! It sounds so good. It's just like the windows down, you know? Yeah, look, I'm outside my comfort zone right now because my windows are all the way down and I have this on my head, if you guys can see it. I'm pretty sure you can. But I have camera strapped to my hat with a mic on the side of it, little fuzzy thing. And like, people are gonna see me and they're gonna be like, what is that? Like, he's so weird, but you know, it's not that big of a deal. And also, none of them are really looking at me. Ooh. But I hope the mic audio is coming out good. Hopefully you can hear me pretty well. And I hope this angle is right. Let me actually double check. If you guys don't know, you go to this thing. I hope it doesn't stop the video. You go to the app, DJI app. You used to do this with the GoPro, but I don't even know if you guys know, but I sold my GoPro and bought this camera. Mostly because I wanted this mic. But you can go right here and boom. Oh, that looks so good, dude. Oh my gosh. Wow. What a step up, dude. That GoPro looked clear, but the colors were just a little off. This is like perfect. Oh my goodness. Yeah, well, I guess we can talk about a little bit about, no, because I'm already talking about nothing, so we'll just keep talking about nothing. But, oh, there's a nice BMW behind us. I don't know what that is. Like an M6 or something. But, yeah, I don't know. I guess my thoughts right now. I'm going to this sunset spot because I want to have a video where I sit down and talk with my new mic. That's why I got the mic. Well, that's not why, but I actually got the mic for the exhaust noise to put on the back of the car. But also, I noticed I say but, yeah, and all those things. Just by editing my videos, I'm like, I say like to, but I'm like, yeah, but, and I don't say anything. Like, I just say, yeah, but. I do that a lot. I don't know why. It's just a habit. But, yeah, anyways, I'll talk a little bit about my little trip today. We did a day trip to Big Bear, and it was pretty cool. The drive up there, it's Sunday. The drive up there was short. No, it wasn't short, but we stopped and hiked. It was smooth, like there wasn't a lot of traffic. And like it, I don't know, I was expecting kind of like a lot of traffic, busy, like lines of cars going up the mountain, but it was only like I don't know, a couple hundred. It was busy once we got to the city, but the drive up there was smooth. This road is called Victoria. It's beautiful. The palm trees are amazing. They just go and line it up. Speed limit's 40, so go 40. Every time I hear the pop, like I know it's gonna shift, and it's like, And I'm like, oh, like it's just so satisfying. And like cars that don't have that, like if I didn't have that, I would be like dreaming for a car that did. It'd be crazy. But what do you guys think? Did I have that right away? I'm pretty sure I did. I was definitely there before she got there, but she tried to go first. So it's whatever, but my windows are all the way down and I have a camera on my face. What was I talking about? What was I talking about? Sport mode. Sport mode is very sensitive on this, because when you're in when you're at a dead stop and you like take your foot, okay, and drive, you take your foot off the gas, it starts to creep forward before you're fully off the brakes. And this, you have to be completely off the brake pedal before it will jump forward. Which is interesting. Sport mode. In sport mode, that's what happens. We're almost to the place. What was I talking about? Shoot, I was talking about the road. See, like, I have a pretty bad short-term memory, I think. Or just memory in general. It's pretty bad. Oh. We could have passed, but they took forever, so that's not happening. Oh, and now they're trying, and nah. Interesting. I prefer not going under the speed limit, because I think I just feel like everyone else wants to go the speed limit at least, or over the speed limit. So like, whenever we're like this, 35, I'm like, you know, I feel like it should be a little faster, but it's all right. Because at least it's not me, right? If it was me, I'd be like, oh my gosh, everyone wants me to go faster, but they know everyone wants them to go faster, but they believe that it is unsafe. They are handicapped. And you know, maybe they have surgery done on their back, and every time they hit a bump over 35, it hurts. That's a thing. I've heard stories. Yeah. I guess we'll talk about what I should talk about. Well, I made like a whole list of like ideas. One of my ideas is I want to make a video about like 21 things I learned before I turned 21, and just like talking about like things that I have developed, my beliefs, like 21 of them. I think that's an interesting concept. That was developed by Gemini. And then I also want to talk about like positivity, like mindset, stuff like that, as well as make a video. All right, we're here. You guys don't come here, all right? It's a private place. Thank you. I appreciate people leaving space when I turn my turn signal on. That's why you gotta turn your turn signals on, you people. Like, people just slam on their brakes and turn. Like, you guys, please put your signal on so people know before you slam on your brakes. Yeah, I want to make a video where it's basically, you guys know, but I want to, you guys know those videos where you're like, oh, you guys probably see me picking my arm. Sorry. You guys know those videos where it's like, I made $1 million before 21, or I got my dream car before 21, or what it's like owning my dream car. I guess the what it's like ones aren't that bad, but like the ones that are like I made $1 million by 21 are interesting, but I just feel like I want to do a video. I want to title it that. I want to make a video that's like, I bought my dream car at 21. That's the title with the thumbnail and everything. But then like the opening line is like, this is not my car, or like something like that. And then the idea of the whole story is talking about how you're not behind just because you see these people posting that they made $1 million. Like, don't chase the money, don't sacrifice your morals, that stuff. Because, like, in my opinion, well, you'll see in the video, but I guess I'll just tell you guys about this. But I saw a video that was this guy, I forgot the YouTube name, but it was a dude, and the video title was something like, I made $1 million before 21, and the whole thing was about how he like was chasing the money, and like I could tell that he was sacrificing himself to be rich, basically. And well, I mean, in my opinion, but obviously like he is rich, so that's like he reached his goal. He did it, which is very impressive. You know, it's a good goal, but it was just like, it made me realize, because he started off like his first like big job or something was managing for like Snapchat stories or managing TikTokers, and it was like, okay, like, yeah, you're making a lot of money managing TikTokers, but like, you're managing TikTokers, you know? And then he was like following these different jobs where he's like managing TikTokers, managing Snapchat people, and then he had the one where he was like managing Fortnite map creators or something like that, or like making Fortnite maps. And it just got me thinking, like, dang, like, what the hell? Like, yeah, you can be making a ton of money, but what are you doing with your life? Like, how can managing TikTokers be fulfilling? And like, no shade to him, of course, but in my opinion, and like my, you know, morals and whatnot, I believe that you should not chase the money like that, and you should try and like find something you love, and, you know, try and live off of that, and like have that be your job where you're doing something you love. And that's exactly what I'm trying to do right now. But yeah, so we made it, and you guys will see that video soon. And yeah, look forward to my other videos. Hope you enjoyed this little drive with me, just following along with the journey, trying to chase my dream. I'll give you guys a sneak peek. I don't know when I'm gonna like announce this, but if I am making a decent income off of this channel before I have to apply for a teaching credential to become a teacher, I'm not going to the teaching credential, and I'm pursuing this. So if that ignites something in you, subscribe, watch all my videos all the way through, because I need 4,000 watch hours. I'm at 2,000, and I need 1,000 subscribers. I'm at 269. Oh, thought I heard someone. Sometimes there's workers here, but yeah, well, what I was saying, subscribe, watch all my videos through. That is what it is all about. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for supporting me. I appreciate it. Let's do this together. Chase your dreams. Enjoy the journey. I'll see you in the next video.